This week we're going to focus on corn crop conditions, harvest progress, as well as short-term weather trends. Then we're going to turn our attention to Brazil, where they're planting full season corn at the moment. We're going to wrap things up with a review of long-term trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved in the middle of October, and of course that means it's time for harvest. However, USDA published their last crop condition ratings of the season for corn this week. Let's take a look at those ratings. In our last report of the crop conditions for the season, unchanged from last week at 64%. Notice last year at this time only 53%. We did see some improvement up in North Dakota, Nebraska, and also some decline, however, across Iowa and Minnesota. Let's look at our aggregate crop condition index here. Notice it did nudge a little bit higher this week. Only of the last 8 years, only 2 years have been higher than this year, back in 2017 and 2018. So the market's very interested in seeing what these final corn yields turn out to be. Let's look at corn harvest progress now. Moving along at a brisk clip, 47% done as of October 13th. Corn harvested increases approximately 25% on average between October 13th and October 27th. So weather permitting, we may be surpassing 70% here by the end of the month. Speaking of weather, let's take a look at short-term trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're looking here the next week, and we're looking at an interesting pattern. Out west across Kansas, western Oklahoma, eastern Colorado, Texas Panhandle, all that area is going to see some heavy rain across that green area. However, as you move north and east, very little rain across the Corn Belt. Let's quantify that now. Looking at the next 7 days, you can see that again, heavy rain, 1 to 2 inches across that Kansas, western Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas area. But again, very little rain as you move further east. Now let's look at the next 14 days. Again, that green area, heavy rain depicted this week above normal, but as you move north and east, a normal to maybe a little bit dry, which should be good for harvest progress. Let's now shift our attention to South America. Let's specifically look at Brazil, where they're planting full season corn. Let's take a look at where that corn is planted in Brazil. We're looking here at a number of key states that plant full season corn, north to south. Rio Grande do Sul is that far southern state, the largest producing area, along with Minas Gerais, a little further north. Mato Piba is that northeast region comprising 4 states there. But basically, you don't see any full season corn to speak of in Mato Grosso, in that northwest state, which is the largest corn producing state, safrinha corn, double crop corn in the country. Let's now look at corn planting progress for full season corn. 28%, almost 29% this week, slightly below last year, but again, no real aberration there in terms of planting progress. Let's take a look at short-term weather trends. You can see in the south, again, emphasizing Rio Grande do Sul, looks like it's going to be pretty dry for planting there. Short-term, next 14 days, move further north near normal. Maybe a little wet in Minas Gerais, which would be welcomed after an extended period of dryness. But overall, no major outliers there in terms of rainfall. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn. Now, December corn, as you tape here, is nudged down to near $4 a bushel, a little bit above that. Now we're in the middle of the crop insurance period. Harvest price will be established this month. That's why we strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement and exercise risk management on these newly harvested bushels. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a safe harvest.